Hello guys, and welcome to Hotel Bird. This is the place where we keep all of our birds. Let me introduce you to the other birds. This one you see on the screen right now is Bella, the mischievous one of the group. She always gets into trouble and she likes jumping on people's feet. This one is, what's her name? Sunshine, and she is the cranky one and the grumpy one. She will, anything she finds, she will nibble on. This one is Luna, the newest member of the group. She mainly just sits there. This one is Blue. She just squeaks a lot, and this is Dom. This one is Sky, the last member of the group, and she just sits there.